But I'm not for about, you know. Me tell every day say my son not dead. I'm better than him go to jail, go to prison and come back.
Wagwan viewers and subs, in this update we have Squash Mother attack a bag of things on IG Live. Plus we also have Squash taking a plea deal. Viewers and subs, we have some people assess Squash inform. We have that to get into. Plus we also have Vanessa Bling in this update. So gentlemen, if you're new to over here, remember, leave a subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself like always, and make we jump right into it. So Bob himself, Najeeri, drop a brand new Benz. The entertainer made some post to his IG. I'm not gonna show no what go on. Yeah man, but first we have to say big up to the youths them where the music. You see me? Yeah man, big up Najeeri, no joke, him a do it and it's a good look.
Ooh, shit up.
What that pussy? Asha.
Fuck of them.
Yes, pussy.
You can't jump into the past, my scars on the flash, but far as I can see beauty. Girl, you're beautiful. Yes, you're beauty. So beautiful. Beauty. Hey, my fans can pay their money. Don't wanna put myself in trouble, Lord. Jesus, keep me safe, as I'm about to represent my fans, Lord.
Vanessa, a while ago, one boy tried to touch you, and you untouch you, be a problem. Be the one there, be the one there, be the one there.
So the entertainer Vanessa Bling I get be backlash from her performance at Sans viewers and subscribers. Jaja, it don't look good. People have it for say yo, she fought back with her one song and how she lame on the stage.
That's why people have to boo Vanessa Bling off a stage because she can't on stage and sing this old song from 19 all long he slap you but he love me. The people them boo her, she dash with the mic and walk off a stage. Me tell them say most of these Jamaican female dancer artists are garbage because I don't see why you da go on stage and sing that the song there from 19 all long boy he slap you but he love me. All me can hear is boo. She just dash with the mic and walk off a stage. The producer fi ask back, all you know fi getting up here. The whole on are rubbish. Only two no more artists alone the Gaza bus, a Cartel himself and Popcorn. Who else the Gaza bus? All the whole on what did I run up and down back a Cartel. I just clean when they clean off the man blood cleat rifle. One is good for nothing. Me tell you no, every female Jamaican dancehall artist, if they now go on stage, go use them pussy to represent them or they ass, they have no talent. At that Vanessa Bling the wrong, she go on stage and sing this steel old song. Right now if she went go on stage, go skin out like our Mrs. Chanel Mir do. Chanel Mir go on stage and the first thing she do, she walk towards the front of the stage and open up her legs them wide, then she start DJ. Vanessa Bling at that, you should do one bag of rubbish. No artist don't come out of Gaza about blood cleat Cartel and Popcorn and Javinci when they get the bus and then style for Javinci. Because Javinci don't get the ratings when they get in dancehall. Vanessa Bling, you're garbage, man. Left dancehall music alone.
You see me smile, don't know I'm hurt. Count the things when me go through yet still me learning.
Alright, so this says dancehall artist Squash will avoid going to trial on a federal gun charge in the United States after reaching a plea deal with prosecutors. Squash and his defense attorney have indicated that he intended to plead guilty on September 3. The entertainer was facing charges of being an alien in possession of a firearm and unlawful possession of a machine gun. So viewers and subscribers, Squash will plead guilty on September 3. So for those who say, oh, the entertainers are rat out in friends them attack about things, yo, nothing to go so. To how it seems like the feds them have a lot on squash. And it's a lose-lose situation for the entertainer because them even are going to use evidence from his phone and also his music videos. So, you know, him are going to just plead guilty and do his time. I go also play the live with Squash Mother, so no see what go on. Remember, views and subs. If you no reach this far, remember, to those who don't subscribe, just leave a subscribe.
Me know you. Dirty stinking suck good girl, cause Squash fuck you and not give you nothing. And the whole of the six them rub out your thinking bumble and not give you nothing drunk with them. Fuck out your mouth, fuck out your ears and fuck out your throat hole. So you compare cause you know you know they style you run, you move your 6 bars battery down the blood clot and go away. Lift up. TVJ can suck out my battery wall and go suck your mama. When you can't come by me, a TikTok video you know, drunk, low life shit or spit toilet, uno begs come here my son at jail and uno no have no pit in a blood clot jail. Uno begs come my son got jail. Move uno blood clot, thank you. Thank you, my G. Uno begs come here my son at jail. Uno move uno blood clots. Me have to angle him. Uno begs come here you go to prison. Uno no have none of there. Suck on a mama. Wanna go get happiness? Eh? Me have to base according to enough. Come on, them to come on for my page. Then they carry belly come my son in a jail. Wanna carry belly for prison? Make for dog drunk or make sure uno no end up in there. And make sure uno end up in there. Uno have money can back on yourself. Eh? What about my situation? What is wrong with my... I don't have a bad situation, Chaplard. What about my situation? Come suck me. But I'm not worried about you now. I tell every day that my son not dead. I'm better than him go to jail, go to prison and come back. Respect several lot. Out there, oh, fucking idiot. Bad mind, fuck, I don't can't sing. Uno can't sing. Uno not no name. Cause uno can't sing. Uno don't have no name. Uno don't have a name. Cause you fuckers can't sing. You know no talent. For no talent have to mix up on TikTok. Uno mix up like uno mama pussy. Me not nobody dead. So they can't sit up. I don't even know what is a plea deal. I think I sell people say, remember send us question nobody get locked up. You know. I don't know what is a plea deal. I don't know shit. Fucking idiot. Green that big up yourself. I like a shit house, you know. No grudge me.